You want to know why they call this stuff dope? Because if you don't use it and your fittings leak, you're going to feel like a real dope. Hey gang, Saturday, November 4th. Welcome back to Trash Can Garage. As promised, made some progress on our fuel delivery setup. Got a few kinks to work out, but she's running on her own. I'll show you what I got. So here we are. Long story short, had several problems compounded into one comedy of errors. The previous owners had cut the factory fuel line back in here and put it in a rubber hose when they threw in their electric pump. So I've got it temporarily, I tied it back in the same spot. I'm gonna have to cut it back into here and bend myself a new line to go up and over. Right now it's resting under the A-arm. So when I cut, anyway, with that resting under the A-arm, it got kinked. So I cut that out and tried to blow the fuel line back from here to the tank, and I created an air pocket or something because I couldn't suck fuel back in. So what I did earlier this week was I stopped up the filler neck and pumped air from the tank back up front, and that did the trick and cleared the line, and I was able to start drawing fuel after that. So long story short, it was just a comedy of errors. And there's our fuel pump. This is a multi-piece unit designed where you can rotate the bottom to fit your application, but there's a plate down there underneath the fuel pump, and that is weeping at that gasket. So I'm gonna probably have to call Speedway and see if I can get a replacement. I bought it back in March, and I'm not happy with that. So got my thread sealed and get the fuel lines fitted. That works. So we have her running on her own. We haven't made progress there. That does sound good. Mission accomplished. Whew. Like I said, I bought this from Speedway back in March. It's made so that you can disassemble it and rotate the bottom to adjust the outlets, and the gasket at the bottom down there is leaking, seeping fuel. So I'm gonna have to call Speedway and see if they can't satisfy my gripe. Otherwise, we're drawing fuel. We're gonna run it on our own. No problems there. So, with that, I will stop the video for now. I'm going to go home and cook dinner. Get the wife waiting for me. And leave it at that. This is Dave with the Trash. This is Dave with the Trash Can Garage. Signing off for now. See you all next time. Bye.